Hi all, welcome to our channel Student Station. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் 6th standard Geography Term 3 Unit 2 Globe லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். First Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. First one, the shape of the earth is, option C, geode is the answer. Then second one, the north pole is, A option 90 degree north latitude is the answer. So A option is the right. Third one, the area found between 0 degree and 180 degree east lines of longitude is called, D option, eastern hemisphere. Then fourth one, the 23.5 degree north line of latitude is called, B option, Tropic of Cancer is the answer, B option. Fifth one, 180 degree line of longitude is international date line. International date line. So எல்லாத்துக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸ் புக்ஸ்லேயே இருக்குது. 180 டிகிரி லைன் ஆஃப் லாங்கிடியூட் அப்படின்னும் போது இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் டேட் லைனில் பாருங்கள். The 180 degree line of longitude has been fixed as the international date line. So இந்த மாதிரி ரெஃபர் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்கள். Then sixth one, the sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at, B option, 12 noon is the answer. Then seventh one, a day has, C, 1440 minutes is the answer, a day has. Then eighth one, which of the following lines of longitude is considered for the Indian Standard Time? A, 82.5 degree east is the right answer, 82.5 degree east. Then ninth one, the total number of lines of latitude are, C, 181 is the answer. Total number of lines of latitude வந்து 181. 10th one, the total number of lines of longitude are, C option, 360 is the answer. Then Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. The line of latitude which is known as the Great Circle is equator. Equator is the answer. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on earth from the west to east are called lines or parallels of latitude. Lines இங்க இருக்கும் பாருங்க. The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally east west direction on the lines or parallels of latitudes is the answer. Lines or parallels of latitude. Then third one, the 90 degree lines of latitude on the earth are called poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. Then the prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. The world is divided into 24 time zones, 24 time zones. So 24 is the answer. Next, third Roman letter, circle the odd one. First one, North Pole, South Pole, equator, international date line. So first one odd one வந்து international date line. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, equator, prime meridian. Prime meridian is the answer. Third one, torrid zone, time zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. So odd one, time zone. Then fourth one, Royal Astronomical Observatory, prime meridian, Greenwich meridian, international date line. So odd one, Royal Astronomical Observatory is the answer. Then 10 degree north, 20 degree south, 30 degree north, 40 degree west. So odd one, 40 degree west. Then Roman letter 4, match the following. 0 degree line of latitude, equator. 0 degree line of longitude, longitude na idu, longitude ipadi, latitude horizontal. 0 degree line of longitude, Greenwich. 180 degree line of longitude, international date line. 90 degree line of latitude, pole is the answer. So number is 4, 3, 2, 1. Then examine the following statements. The earth is spherical in shape. The shape of the earth is called a geoid. The earth is flat. Look at the options given below and choose the correct answer. So options la வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணதில் 1 and 2 are correct. C option is the right answer. 1 and 2. The earth is spherical in shape and the shape of the earth is called a geoid. So 1 and 2 are correct. C, 1 and 2 are correct. C option is the right answer. Roman letter 6. Examine the following statements. Statement 1. The lines of latitude on earth are used to find the location of a place and define the heat zones on earth. Statement 2, this one is correct. And the lines of longitude on earth are used to find the location of a place and to calculate time. This is also correct. So both the statements are correct. C option is the right answer. Next, Roman letter 7. Name the following. First one, the imaginary lines drawn horizontally on earth. Lines of latitude or parallels. இது எழுதிக்கோங்க, அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இங்கே மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The imaginary lines of latitude or parallels. Then second one, the imaginary lines drawn vertically on earth, lines of longitude or meridians. Then third one, the three-dimensional model of the earth is globe. India is located in this hemisphere based on lines of longitude, southern hemisphere. Then fifth one, the network of lines of latitude and longitude, earth grid or geographic grid is the answer. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் சப்போர்ட். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.